Hello friends, today I have got a scrap busting project for you and we will be doing scrap fabric patchwork block quilting. It gives a whole new dimension to all your scrappy fabric and later on you can use them to make very many sewing projects like coasters, placemats, table runners, pouches, you just name it. So I'll be teaching you how to make patchwork block quilts with the first 2.5 inch square sewn into quilt. These are my 2.5 inch square blocks. And then 4.5 inch square blocks sewn into quilt, and these are my 4.5 inch square blocks. Now all of this I am going to do using only cotton fabric. The supplies that you will be requiring are a cutting mat with a rotary cutter or a fabric scissors in case you don't have the rotary cutter to cut the blocks, scales for measurement. For these projects I prefer smaller scales as they are easy to work with. Then you will be requiring scrappy cotton fabric. I use this fabric to show you how to cut the 4.5 inch blocks. This for 2.5 inch square blocks. Then you will also require very important iron and ironing board, and of course you will require a sewing machine. So let's get started. First we'll cut the 2.5 inch square blocks, and for this I fold my fabric along its length twice. And place my scale on top of it over one of the raw edges just like this to get that 90-degree angle perfectly for getting accurate straight edges, because that's most important for your blocks to match up at the corners in your quilt, otherwise it doesn't give a neat finish. And now we cut out long strips along the length with a width of 2.5 inches. Now, keeping only one fold, I lay both the strips one on top of the other, matching the edges and cutting out exact 2.5 inch square blocks just like this. These are my pre-cut 2.5 inch square blocks. Now from the other fabric scrap, I'll show you how to cut the 4.5 inch square blocks. The method is the same, only the dimensions have now changed from 2.5 inch squares to 4.5 inch square. So let me show you how. Again, be very careful with the edges and the exact dimensions, because you don't want to have your final quilt with the corners not matching up. Now, using these coordinated blocks, I'll be quilting the 2.5 inch patchwork, and these blocks for the 4.5-inch patchwork quilt. I start with the 2.5-inch blocks first. I plan to make a 4x4 block quilt with these. So taking 2 blocks at a time and with both the right sides facing inside, with a seam allowance of 1/4 inch constant, you have to be very careful that the seam allowance doesn't deviate from 1/4 inch, otherwise your corners will not match up in the final quilt. I sew along the raw edges. Here we can do chain stitching. It's quick and no need to trim the threads every time. Now I snip the chain stitches to separate the pairs of blocks, and then taking 2 random pairs at a time, I sew them together with the right sides facing inside to get one strip of 4 blocks. This way I stitch all the remaining 3 strips together. For the aesthetics, do not sew 2 same blocks one after the other. So this is how the 4 strips look. Now it's time to iron them before joining them together into 4x4 quilt. For this, turn to the wrong side of each strip and first iron the top strip with all the raw edges of the seams pressed in right to left direction. Then turn it and press the right side. For the second strip, again turn to the wrong side, but this time all the raw edges of the seams will be pressed in left to right direction. Then turn it and press the right side. Follow this pattern for the next 2 strips. This is called nesting of seams and it helps in keeping the corners of the blocks neat and accurate to give it a professional finish. Now, taking the first 2 strips together with proper nesting, we are ready to sew. Remember to be very careful with your 1/4 inch seam allowance to be accurate. Here you can pin the strips together before sewing with the right sides facing inside, but I'll do it just like that. And we repeat with the remaining 2 strips just like this. So I give my quilt one last press and this is how it looks finally. Now I start with the quilting of my 4.5 inch squares, which will be a 3x4 block size. For this I arrange my blocks in a desired pattern first before sewing them together just like this. Now since I have a planned pattern to stick to, I can't randomly chain stitch 2 blocks at a time as done before. Then I will forget the pattern. So I stitch all the 4 blocks of one strip first, one by one, then follow the same for the remaining 2 strips. Now it's time to press the 3 strips before sewing them together by the same method of nesting in opposite directions as I did in the case of 2.5-inch square block quilting, and then I sew the strips together. So after one last ironing, this is how my 4.5-inch block patchwork quilt finally looks like. I also made one more such quilt, and I'm going to use these 2 quilts for my next sewing project, so don't miss it and keep watching. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then don't delay any further, as I have more interesting sewing projects lined up for you every week. Also, press the bell notification button to remain updated with all my future uploads. Until next time, bye.